Hello everyone. Welcome to One More Thing. I'm Matt. Whether you are pursuing personal growth or hoping to succeed in modern society, today's video will provide you with valuable information. In this fast-paced and ever-changing world, we face a variety of challenges and opportunities. To stand out in this competitive environment, we need to possess some key life skills. These life skills are not just for coping with everyday problems, but also to help us be more successful at work, school, and in our relationships. They are very important building blocks in modern society, helping us achieve our personal goals, develop our potential, and build meaningful lives. By learning and mastering these skills, we can better adapt to this rapidly changing world and continue to grow and progress. Whether you want to advance your career skills, improve your relationships, or develop a positive mindset, these life skills will provide you with the necessary tools and guidance. So, if you want to become a well-rounded modern person, an individual who stands out in this competitive world, then go ahead and watch this video. We will share 6 essential life skills for modern people and provide practical advice and tips to help you succeed in all aspects. Are you ready? Let's start this exciting journey of discovery together. 1. Digital literacy. In today's digital world, mastering digital literacy is one of the essential life skills for modern people. Digital literacy is more than just using computers and mobile phones, it's also about understanding and coping with the impact of digital technology on our daily lives, work and social interactions. First, digital literacy covers basic computer operations and software applications. Knowing how to use common office software, web browsers, and social media platforms can help us be more efficient at tasks, such as writing documents, managing schedules, and collaborating with others. Secondly, digital literacy also includes cybersecurity and data privacy protection. Protecting personal information and privacy on the internet has become increasingly important. Knowing how to create strong passwords, identify phishing, and protect personal data can help us guard against cyber threats and protect ourselves online. Additionally, digital literacy involves the ability to search and evaluate information. Finding accurate and reliable resources among massive amounts of information is crucial for learning, research, and decision-making. Learning to screen and evaluate the source, content, and credibility of information can help us make informed judgments and decisions. Finally, digital literacy also involves the ability to analyze and visualize data. In the era of information explosion, data has become a precious resource. Learning to collect, organize, and analyze data and communicate it effectively in the form of charts, graphs, or reports can help us make more informed decisions and solve problems. Whether we are students, professionals, or just consumers, digital literacy is an essential skill in our daily lives. It helps us take better advantage of digital technologies while also enabling us to live and work in the digital world more safely and confidently. 2. Communication skills. In today's era of developed social networks and frequent global communication, good communication skills have become one of the essential life skills for modern people. Whether in our personal or professional lives, effective communication skills help us build strong relationships, solve problems, and achieve shared goals. First, effective verbal communication is the key to success. Mastering clear, definite, and logical expressions can make our meaning easier to understand and accept. Good language expression skills, smooth speaking rhythm, and confident intonation are all important factors to improve the effectiveness of oral communication. Secondly, listening is an important part of communication. Learning to listen to other people's perspectives, opinions, and feelings, and demonstrating genuine interest and respect, builds trust and empathy. Active listening not only helps us understand others better, but also reduces misunderstandings and conflicts and promotes cooperation and good interpersonal relationships. In addition, nonverbal communication cannot be ignored. Body language, facial expressions, and posture convey more information than words. Learning to observe and use nonverbal signals can help us better understand the emotions and intentions of others and express ourselves more accurately. In the digital age, the importance of written communication has become increasingly prominent. Good written communication skills help us express clear, professional points in emails, social media, and work documents. Learning to use grammar, spelling, and punctuation correctly, as well as writing concise, clear sentences and paragraphs, are keys to effective written communication. Whether communicating with family, friends, co-workers, or strangers, good communication skills help us build positive relationships and achieve shared goals. 3. Ability to solve problems. In a modern society full of challenges and changes, developing problem-solving skills is critical to personal success. Whether in a personal life or a professional setting, encountering problems is inevitable, but the key lies in how we respond and resolve them effectively. First, developing critical thinking is key to problem solving. Critical thinking refers to evaluating problems in an objective and rational manner, analyzing their root causes and impacts, and proposing effective solutions. Learning to ask key questions, collect and evaluate information, reason and judge can help us better understand the nature of a problem and develop informed solutions. Secondly, creative thinking is also an important factor in solving problems. Creative thinking is about finding unconventional, innovative solutions and being able to integrate knowledge and experience from different fields to solve problems. Cultivating creative thinking means embracing diversity, encouraging new ideas, trying different approaches, and being willing to face failure and feedback. Problem solving also requires good teamwork skills. In modern society, many problems require teamwork to solve. Effective teamwork includes listening to others' perspectives, respecting and accepting different opinions, assigning tasks, and coordinating resources. Learning to cooperate with others and working together to solve problems can speed up the speed and quality of problem solving. Additionally, problem-solving skills require flexibility and adaptability. Modern society is changing rapidly, and we need to be able to quickly adapt to new situations and changes and flexibly adjust problem-solving strategies. Flexibility means embracing change, seeking new opportunities, and being able to learn from failures and continually improve. 4. Time management. In the fast-paced and multitasking modern life, good time management skills are the key to successful and efficient work. Managing time effectively can help us be more productive, reduce stress, and better balance work and personal life. First, setting clear goals and priorities is the foundation of time management. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve and prioritizing tasks based on importance and urgency can help us organize our time better and focus on what matters most. Using tools such as to-do lists, timesheets, and schedules can help us organize and track tasks and ensure that work is completed as planned. Second, learning to say no and set boundaries are key elements of time management. People often get caught up in too many work and social commitments, resulting in time being spread out and wasted. Learning to say no to things that don't align with our goals and values, and setting appropriate boundaries, can help us stay focused and productive. In addition, effective time management also includes rational allocation of time and concentration. Learning to estimate how long a task will take and allocate time to different activities can help us avoid procrastination and wasted time. At the same time, reducing distractions and focusing on the current task can increase productivity and reduce errors. In addition, reasonable arrangement of rest and relaxation time is also an important part of time management. Constant fatigue and overwork can reduce productivity and creativity. Ensuring we have enough rest and recharge time each day can help us stay energized and productive. In the digital age, technological tools can also become assistants in time management. For example, use a time tracking app to understand which activities you're spending too much time on, or use a focus aid to reduce distractions from social media and your phone. 5. Financial knowledge. In modern society, understanding and mastering basic financial knowledge is an important ability that everyone should have. Whether it's personal finance or career development, understanding finance can help us make informed decisions, manage our personal finances, and achieve our financial goals. First, understanding basic financial concepts is the foundation for building financial knowledge. Understanding basic concepts such as interest rates, inflation, stocks, bonds, and investment portfolios can help us better understand the operation and influencing factors of financial markets. Second, learning personal finance skills is an important step in protecting your personal financial health. Learning to budget, save, and invest can help us manage our personal finances, build wealth, and respond to emergencies. Understanding tax regulations and retirement planning is also important personal finance knowledge. Understanding investing is an important part of the financial world. Learning basic investment principles and strategies and understanding the relationship between risk and return can help us make wise investment decisions. At the same time, understanding different types of investment instruments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and funds, can help us build a diversified investment portfolio. Additionally, understanding financial risks and insurance is important financial knowledge. Learning to assess and manage risks and choose insurance products that suit individual needs can help us cope with unexpected situations and protect the financial security of individuals and families. In the age of digitalization, understanding digital currencies and crypto assets has also become increasingly important. Learning the basics about cryptocurrencies, understanding how they work, risks, and potential can help us better adapt to developments in this emerging field. 6. Physical and mental health. In today's busy and stressful modern life, taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial. Physical and mental health is a comprehensive concept that covers physical health, emotional balance, and psychological well-being. Maintaining good physical and mental health improves quality of life, builds resilience, and helps us better cope with challenges and stress. First of all, maintaining good health is the foundation of physical and mental health. Regular exercise, eating right, and getting enough sleep are important factors in maintaining good health. Exercise can enhance the body's endurance and flexibility, promote blood circulation and metabolism. A balanced diet provides the nutrients your body needs to maintain a healthy weight and immune system. Adequate sleep can restore the body's energy and improve concentration and thinking skills. Secondly, focusing on emotional balance and mental health are also important aspects of physical and mental health. Learning to manage emotions, reduce stress, and develop a positive mindset can help us maintain emotional balance and mental health. Employing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and relaxation training can help us reduce tension and anxiety. Staying connected with friends and family, seeking psychological support, and finding fun and hobbies are also important ways to promote mental health. Additionally, balancing work and personal life is key to maintaining physical and mental health. Learn to set reasonable working hours and rest periods to establish a healthy work-life balance. Taking time for ourselves for leisure activities, social interactions, and personal interests can help us recharge, reduce work stress, and increase life satisfaction. In the digital age, digital disconnection is also one of the important strategies to maintain physical and mental health. Reducing our reliance on electronic devices and reducing the use of social media can help us reduce information input and distractions and improve focus and attention. Through this video, we introduce 6 important modern life skills, including communication skills, time management, problem solving, relationships, financial literacy, and physical and mental health. These skills play an important role in our daily lives and have a profound impact on our personal and professional development. We encourage everyone to actively apply these skills in their daily lives. When interacting with others, using good communication skills can build good relationships, solve problems, and overcome challenges. Effective time management can help us allocate time reasonably, improve work efficiency, and free up time to pursue our interests and hobbies. Problem-solving skills are key to developing innovative thinking and finding solutions. Building and maintaining relationships is the cornerstone of a successful life, and financial literacy can help us make smart financial decisions and achieve our financial goals. Finally, focusing on physical and mental health can improve quality of life, build resilience, and help us better cope with stress and challenges. Thank you all for watching this video and encourage you to share in the comments other modern living skills you think are important. We believe that through mutual communication and sharing, we can continue to learn and grow and improve our adaptability in modern society. Let us work together to become a well-rounded individual and meet various challenges and opportunities in life. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and sharing. We will bring you more valuable videos. See you next time.